Good morning, guys. So this is a beautiful day today. I just feel like wanna do something. So I'm going to do harvesting and makikita nyo kung ano yung mga harvesting ko today dahil gusto kong i-share some of my vegetables sa aking friend here in Boquete. Kaysa masira lang, I would like to share it to my kababayans here. So samahan nyo ako, guys, mamitas tayo. Let's go! And yun na nga, guys, ang gusto kong gawin first is to harvest my ampalaya. It's in here. It's not really big or really bushy. Mamimitas tayo para hindi siya masayang at hindi lang mabulok sa puno. And ito yung pinakamalaki. I already harvested few of this. Kaya I need to harvest more before it get bad. And by the way, guys, itong ampalaya ko is given to me one of my good friend here in Panama. Shinare niya sa akin yung seedling dahil nahihirapan siyang magpatubo sa area nila, and then I tried it here. As you can see, maganda yung tubo. Very healthy ang soil natin, kaya ganito na siya ka-bushy. Gonna pick this one. It's big, actually. I'm gonna get this big one. Yeah, look at this. Ang laki. I think it's like 12 inches. Kisa masayang lang, harvest na natin. And this one, masisira na. I mean, oh, nag-crack na siya. Matanda na siguro. I can get the seeds and keep it. Oh, see guys, pag hindi mo siya hinarvest agad, mabubulok lang siya sa puno niya. So, it's better to harvest na agad. There's another big one here. Harvesting ko na bago pa masira, o diba? Diba, ang laki na. Another big one here. As you can see, guys, yung dalawang puno ng ampalaya, itinanim ko siya dito sa sapat. And then the rest, mga 5 ampalaya, inilagay ko dito sa aking planter. The big planter yan. Maghanap pa tayo kung may malaki para hindi masira. Ito lang ang napick ko for today, guys, dahil yung iba, I'm going to harvest it the next few days for myself na rin. Pag hindi ko siya maubos kasi ako lang yung kumakain ito dito. Hindi kumakain ng husband ko, hindi na yung kasama namin sa bahay. Hindi sila kumakain ito. So ako lang. So sobrang dami kaya sinishare ko sa iba kong mga Asian friends here. And also, I'm going to keep it on my freezer kapag marami. Kapag gusto kong kumain ulit ng ampalaya, I'm just gonna grab it from the freezer, diba? So, mapipreserve natin siya at mapapakinabangan natin, hindi siya masisira. And, yun guys, it's very nutritious actually, the ampalaya. So, mamimitas pa ako kung ano pa yung mga pwede kong i-harvest at ibigay kay Ate Nima. Because I will meet her today before we go to the vid. Kukuha ako ng spring onions to give her. Sobrang dami kong spring onions, guys. It's growing crazy in my planter, so it's better to share. And you know, I love my kitchen garden, my herbs. Sometimes nasusurprise ako kasi may mga raming tumutubo na hindi ko naman tinanim. Katulad ng coriander. Hindi ko yan siya tinanim. Tumubo lang. So now, guys, nandito tayo sa aming filter pond. And nagtanim din pala ako dito ng water spinach or kangkong sa Tagalog. And mag-harvest din ako nito. At ibibigay ko kay Ate Nima dahil siya rin yung nagbigay sa akin ng binhi nito. So pinarami ko lang siya, guys. So let's go! So I already have this water spinach, and as you can see, this one very healthy. Sa sobrang dami, guys, minsan hinahayaan ko na lang siya dahil ako lang naman yung kumakain ng mga Asian vegetables, no? Tayo lang yung nakaka-appreciate nito, yung mga Pilipino. So may kangkong na tayo. So ito ang ating na-harvest. So this all what I've got. I have basil, water spinach, mint leaves, dill, tomatoes, and talbos ng ampalaya. I have spring onions, ampalaya, and jalapenos. Marami pa akong chili dito, but isa pa lang yung hinog. So yung green, hindi pa to siya spicy. Hayaan ko na lang muna. And next time, marami na naman tayong jalapenos. So bago tayo mamitas ng lemons, guys, meron akong overripe bananas here. Bibigay ko sa chickens. I just wanna say good morning to my chickens. Let's go to my chickens. We have lots of banana trees here, and we would like to share some of our bananas. Here they are. Good morning, chicks. Good morning. Look at her. Good morning, chicks. Ayan siya. There's some other chickens here. I'm gonna give you the bananas treats. They love bananas. Here. Here, mama. Oh, yan. Kainin nyo na. And one last thing, guys. I'm going to pick the lemons. This is one of the lemon trees here in our property. And ito lang yung very accessible sa akin for today to show you. And tara, magmitas na tayo. There's more here. Smells good. Smells good. Diba ang laki? Yun. And there's more. Nahulog na. There you go. Ooh. So I'm a bit tired na, guys. So ito lang muna ang aking harvestin sa lemons. This is it. Dito ko na i-end ang aking video, guys. And as an update lang din sa aking channel, I love living here in Boquete. Feels like home, feels like Philippines, same weather, and hope to see you on my next videos. Thank you, guys. Have a good day, everyone. Bye.